Hey guys, it's Stephanie here from Hands, Hearts, and Minds. Today we are actually playing with something really cool called cloud sand.
Cloud sand.
Are you having fun playing with cloud sand?
Cloud
Why don't you show
sand.
me what you do? What do you do? What's in there?
A spider.
You think that's a spider? Do you know it's a spider? You gotta clean it off, don't you? Scrub, scrub, scrub.
See what it is.
You see what it is. So cloud sand actually is a sensory play item that is homemade, and it only takes 2 items, sand and shaving cream. So I'm going to show you really fast how to make it, and hopefully you can do it at home with your little ones. So I'm just going to take some sand in this bowl, like that, and then squirt in some shaving cream and give it a little stir. And that's basically it. There are no real measurements for cloud sand because it all depends on what kind of a feeling you're going for. I like to use it pretty creamy when I do the sensory play with it because it sticks to the animals better and makes them have to work a little harder. You okay? So that's really it. And now the cloud sand is already ready to go. You could add more sand if you wanted to do like cutouts or, make sandcastles with it. You can do that, but it would need to be a little less creamy and more sandy for that. It's also, parents, moms especially, it's a really great exfoliant. So when you're making it, just rub it on your hands and fling it off, and then your skin will be super smooth. So I really like doing it with the shaving cream, and I like to do it outside because the shaving cream does evaporate and then you have the sand, and so if you're outside you can just wipe it off and move on with your day. So, but if you wanted to do it inside and you had a place that you didn't mind sweeping the floor or doing it on the carpet or whatever, totally up to you, and then you can just sweep it up. So that is how to make cloud sand, and one of the examples that I use in sensory play for it. So hopefully this was a pretty easy peasy way for you guys to have a little bit of after school fun or weekend fun, especially over our 4-day weekend. Our kids here are out Friday and Monday, so we're trying to find different ways to keep them busy around the house. So leave a comment or a video of you and your littles making cloud sand or playing with cloud sand or whatever, and make sure to follow the page for more homeschool hacks. We'll see you later. Love yourself and be kind to everybody else. Bye.